As y'all can see, we about to go mountain carving in the 720 Benz 4x4 and my wife's Urus. Make sure you hit the fat ass thumbs up on this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, watch this video from beginning to end, and let's get right to it, man. Alright, man, time to hop in your Urus, start this joint up. Put in Corsa. Taking off in this joint. This is actually the first time that I've been to Urus. All three's been to McLaren. And we went mountain carving at the same time. So it's actually pretty interesting. I'm curious to see the big ass tanker coming through with the flammable on the move. But I'm actually curious to see if three's gonna be able to keep up with the Urus. He should be able to. He in a 720S, but you know how three be driving. He'll be really want to push to a limit like that. But in order to keep up with me, he gonna have to do that. So let's get up here, bust a couple turns, and let's get it. My wife wouldn't approve of this, but hey, you only get one life to live, so you gotta live it to the utmost. That's for sure. I know things like, what the fuck? Car coming down there. But yeah, we got two cars in the way, so I'm gonna wait till they give us some good wiggle room. Cause I hate going down a mountain or up a mountain, and you got look, and they going straight too, and that's the way we going. So yeah, I don't like that. So let's just let them go for a good while, cause I hate going up and down the mountain. And there's some slow ass people in front of me that don't want to get out of the damn way. So we're currently waiting for Reed and Sway to pull up, cause I think they might be trying to capture some angles and different things like that while we're going up and down these mountains. So we'll wait for them to see. I don't know. They're gonna be in a 4x4 in Sway's Honda, I believe. There go for Reed, and there goes Sway. Now we good to go. Buckle up. All right. Smash out. Let me push the phone over here. I don't even wanna. The Urus can whip through this joint, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whipping that. Oh. Whoa! That was a close one. That was a close one right there. Oh, we got a biker. That one right there. I might have been with a little too much thing on that joint. I might need my tires might be underinflated on this joint. I know three back there like, what the fuck? That boy almost ate it on that one, didn't it? My tires are skidding a little bit. They ain't giving me too much reassurance going down, because when I was coming over here, going up, I always like going up the mountain better than I like going down the mountain, because yeah, these tires, I don't know, they're skidding a lot right now. The tire pressure might be too low. Might gotta get that joint checked out. That 720 keeping up with ease now, right now. Shouldn't be doing that. Not with threes driving. No shout out my dog, but make sure y'all subscribe to my dog's YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram. What the hell's this dude doing? I'm about to go around that joint. I know three seen that. I'm about to ask him when we get out the car. Moving around this joint. No brakes on the move. Oh, look at the bike. He smashed it. He was recording too. I know if I was on the bike on one of these mountains, ready to be coming down, going fast, and going up, going fast, I'd be like, fuck that shit. The Urus be going up and down these joints so real easy, like, but not like, obviously not like that in 720 on the Ventador or Organik or none of that. But it does its job for an SUV for sure. For sure, like this is a tight one right here. This is a real tight one. You can hear the tires on that joint. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, that was a real good one. I ain't gonna lie, it'd be fun going through these joints though. Just smashing out. Yeah, been in that bitch. Hugging that hoe. Having a little fun with it, y'all. Living life to the utmost in the most top of the move fashion. Having a blast with the dog. Doing some supercar shit. Oh damn, look at that Honda right there too. And a biker. Ain't that crazy? That's a sign from God. Slow my ass down and relax all the way. But yeah, ain't that funny? Good thing I did let that Honda go, right? It's gonna be funny. I gotta see what he think about that, because I know he's like, boy, watch what he say. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. You see that? That was video game. Holy shit. Did you see when I went around that booth?
Yeah, you had to. No joke.
Almost 80 on that one, boy.
I saw it. I wonder how you felt.
Oh yeah, it was full. Yeah, it was one of them.
You gotta get too dumb, bro. Damn, we had to whip this joint
Oh boy, that's a Tesla gone. Look at it, he's smashing.
Shit.
You know they ain't made for this though. Yeah, come on, man.
No, he would got 1,000 feet. That means something. I don't mean nothing, bro.
Yeah.
This ain't race car.
But you was whipping though, 3.
I was trying, bro.
You was doing it,
I
brother.
took a lot of goddamn.
You was doing a lot.
Woo, I was on it, but that was scary.
That was something.
That was real. That's the craziest I ever drove on the Canyon.
You go see 3 of the or Sway the Fareed come down,
Yeah.
whipping the 4x4 in the Honda. Look.
Damn, look at that 4x4.
Look, that joint is monstrous though. Look at
That joint
it.
is crazy.
Yo, let me back up. Messing up my ego tight. Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh?
You gotta get gas, right?
You gotta get gas?
Huh?
You need gas?
Oh, every day. But anyways,
Almost 80 on one of them hoes, Sway.
I need gas every day. But I'll try to text 3 and tell him I don't know how much speed rated that mount is for.
Oh.
So, yeah, but I had to search today, so I was like, yeah.
All right, well, come on. I'll tell you. Come on.
I just assumed you guys would stop here. So.
All right, let's get gas. We're going to follow him. He's talking about that for y'all who don't know. Hey, 3. Sway trying to act
What
up.
did he say? He said something. What did
He said he don't know if this with that stick is speed rated for.
I know, right?
No, I said we about to find out.
It went crazy.
Yep, so there y'all have it. That was crazy though. We were smashing on that one right there. That was crazy though. Yeah, put that motherfucker in. Lambo McLaren shit, man. It's always fun to link back up with my dog and get to whipping these whips and having fun with it and everything like that. For sure, you know, because we started this whole shebang together, man, and we're gonna end it together and everything in between, you know what I'm saying? We ride this whole, you know, roller coaster together, man, through this life, through this money, through the social media, through the businesses, through this, through that, no matter what it is, man, we ride through it all together, and that's what it's all about. So I hope you got a team of people that surround you that's credible, that you trust, that you rock with, that you got big love for, that's gonna reciprocate and make adaptations and changes for one another to become y'all best you and ultimately becoming y'all best team and we and us together, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's all about, you know? So that's why I have so much fun and, you know, seeing my dog win and seeing me win and seeing us win together. You know, so many people just want to see themselves win and they say they want to see other people win, but really do nothing to put them in another position to win, you know, and once they go in that position, it says a lot about the person. If you put in position, they don't do nothing to continue to sustain and maintain the wins. So, and to be able to evolve and grow with the wins, you know, that's hugely important too. So excuse me, but putting your people in the opportunity in the spotlight to really get to the opportunity, to really get to the money and really win. That's what it's all about. And we do that for one another. And that's just huge for the both of us. So, you know, I hope that, you know, y'all doing that with the people that you say you rock with and fuck with like that too. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta stop and get this gas real quick. My dog Straight Media gonna hit y'all with some of that good shit. And we'll get back to y'all in a second, baby.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with the window. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a track. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these bitches wet. Yeah, calling up the plug, the only time I could connect.
So as y'all can see, man, we made it down the mountain. Everything's kosher and copacetic. I don't know how well y'all can see. I don't know if Sway slowed it down for y'all, however he chose to edit it for y'all. But as we was coming down the mountain, and my dog 3 was behind me in the 720. Pause, no homo. When I hit that hard left turn, I tried to bend it and hug it, and then somehow it kind of like I don't know. I felt like the tires was underinflated. Like I gotta air them up. Sound like they were a little low on the PSI. It felt like it anyway. But it felt crazy though, because I could have literally wiped out with that joint. That's the first time I think I ever got the Urus kind of sideways, because it's not, I wouldn't say it's hard to break the back rears on the Urus. You turn traction off, you act dumb, you know, you spark them joints up enough, get them heated up enough, they'll break loose on you a little bit, you know. But it just felt kind of crazy when it happened. It probably, I think when I'm talking about it or as I'm driving, it probably doesn't look as crazy on film as it does in actual person when I actually bent that corner, how crazy it felt. Because it felt like I went sideways, recorrected, and was able to go back straight. It felt like that anyway. It's kind of like the off-road content. The off-road content is like when you watch it at home and you're on your phone or your TV screen at the crib, you know, it doesn't look like it's that much of an obstacle to do all the off-road stuff. But the thing is, if you were in the car with me as we're going off-roading, you would feel like that anxiety, you would feel that heart pumping, you would feel that adrenaline, you know what I mean? So it's kind of hard to get y'all to see that from home or from the comfort of your cell phone or from the comfort from your crib on your couch, you know. But it definitely exists though, to say the least. So I just thought that was kind of crazy. I almost, when my wife sees that footage, she was like, "Baby, you almost crashed my damn car." Yeah, I bought it though, but hey, shit. You know, she don't get no fuck about that. Yeah, don't be crashing my shit. So it's gonna be funny, when I show her this footage, and she's like, damn, like, cause she already doesn't like me going on the mountain. She already don't like me driving fast. She already don't like me driving fast around corners and turns and all sorts of craziness like that, you know. So it's gonna be funny to see her reaction and see what she says. I actually told her I was gonna take her to the track in the Urus, and then, you know, we'll both learn how to drive this car, this magnificent beast, on a track. You know, I actually prep service for going around tracks and turns and stuff like that. I don't know how well y'all can see me because we just went there a tunnel and everything like that, and it tends to get real dark. And it's winter time, even though ain't no snow in LA and Southern California, it definitely gets dark quicker than it does in summertime, obviously for obvious reasons. But yeah, I gotta take her to the track. I want to see how she drives it. I think I'll drive it pretty good. I think she'll drive it pretty good. My wife know how to whip them joints, you know what I'm saying, on them whips, you know what I mean? But we got this car right here that just want to go out right in front of me. But I just had to smash on them real quick. But yeah, though, y'all, I hope y'all liking this content. I hope you're enjoying it, man. If you made it this far into the video, give this shit a fat ass thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Don't skip the mask. Sway texting me, I don't know what he want. I always say we need to have our walkie-talkies, but then on the days where we think we're gonna not do nothing, we end up doing something. On days we say we're gonna do something, we end up doing nothing. But yeah, y'all, today seems like just one of them days. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoying and liking this content. And if you is, subscribe, and make sure after you watch this video, make sure you go over to Luvs, Slim, me and my wife's YouTube channel. Subscribe over there, turn on post notifications, click that bell, and don't skip no ads, and watch that video from beginning to end. We'd greatly appreciate it. This joint got giddies, man. and I whipped it accordingly on them Malibu, what they call them, canyons, curves, mountain carving, whatever you want to call it. I did my shit in that joint today, and it was actually pretty fun. So yeah, it's pretty legendary, man. Like I said, man, make sure y'all go over there, subscribe to my dog Sway Media's YouTube channel, follow my Instagram as well, and make sure y'all subscribe and follow my dog Mr. Organic on YouTube. Subscribe to him. Follow my Instagram as well, Mr. Organic. I put all his information in the description below. Y'all should already know it if you big G Squizzle. And if you're not big G Squad, it ain't too late to become big G Squad. Make sure you go over there, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram, and do all the above. Turn on post notifications, click that bell. You know what I'm saying? Watch the video from beginning to end. Don't skip none of the meds. And even go to my dog's website, Mr. Organic website, organiclifestyle.com. Excuse me, I'm getting my words all tangled up. But yeah, go over to his website, organiclifestyle.com. Links in the description below. Tap in with him, support him, rock with him. Excuse me, watch him. All the above. And let me make sure I tell my dog Sway where to go real quick. Man, we're in LA right now, passing by the Rams Stadium. Actually, we in Inglewood. So shout out to all my G Squad supporters out here in Inglewood, over there in Crenshaw and Slauson, just everywhere, all through LA, Southern California. Shout out to the big G Squad out there in the Bay Area, in the 408, San Jose. You know, just all around Southern California, all around Northern California, Middle, Central California. Doesn't matter where you're at. Shout out to all the G Squad all around the world. But since I'm in California right now, I gotta give a big shout out to all the G Squad all around California, man. So, wait for my dog Sway to get here. And yeah, that's it. That's all, man. Nothing really else to talk about, y'all. You know, stay tuned for some more content. I'm gonna go off-roading again in the TRX. I got some more fun stuff with that. I got a lot of big shit coming y'all way, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for it all. And like I said, make sure y'all go over to me and my wife's YouTube channel, Love and Slim, because we just picked up our puppy, our Presa Canario puppy. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already seen Zeus, you know. And make sure y'all subscribe to Zeus Instagram too. His link's in the description below as well. And yeah, we got a lot of plans going on with Zeus and everything like that. We've been throwing up videos every day on Love and Slim, so you want to make sure you don't miss none of the videos by clicking the link in the description below and just getting with everything, man, and not missing a beat with nothing. But yeah, it's been fun having them here. It's been legendary, and you definitely don't want to miss the video, you know, of us getting our puppy and our first flight with our puppy, everything like that. It's just been super fun and legendary. We've been making some monumental memories along the whole way. So, you know, you just don't want to miss none of it, man. The only way you cannot miss none of it is by just going over there and subscribing. Turn on post notifications, clicking that bell, bing. You know what I'm saying? Watching the whole video from beginning to end. You just don't miss nothing. But that's it. That's all, y'all. Nothing else to talk about, man. Your boy Slim, I'm gone, and I think I see my dog Sway Media. We out of here, man.